Here is fresh papaya we are going to use for papaya soup. So what we are going to do, we'll peel it, blend it, and use it for the soup. Hello, you're welcome to enea.skin.care. You can see we're going to make papaya soup. Here's the papaya we blended, it's here. Here we have lye that we soaked for 2 days. And here is our red oil that we're going to use to make papaya soup. Red oil has a lot to do on our skin. It's very nutritional. The first thing we will do, we're going to pour our blended papaya. We're going to pour it into our red oil. So this is our blended papaya. Into our red oil. I have to make sure I get everything out. Nothing is wasted here. Make sure when you're blending yours, make sure it's very smooth. So that is that. So the next thing is we're going to stir. We're going to stir the papaya I just poured into the red oil. We'll mix properly so that it's properly mixed along with the red oil. Yes, the next thing we're going to do, here is our lye. It's also known as caustic soda. So I'm going to run it into the red oil that I just poured in the papaya. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So here is our lye. Wow. When you're making soap, you have to be very fast. You can see it's already getting thicker. It's getting thicker and thicker. I'm going to use a proper stick to mix it properly. Wow! This is lovely. This is our papaya soup in process. It's very easy. This is how to make papaya soup. Then the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to pour in our glycerin. Glycerin is very good for your skin. So that is it. Apart from red oil, you can use any other oil like coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil, not all real vegetable oil. You can add, if you like, a little you can add honey if you like, or you can add shea butter when you make your soup. Only what I added is just glycerin, no chemical. There's nothing like chemical here. So let me see, stir properly. So what we are going to do next right now is we are going to pour our soap. Here's our soap mold. All this soap mold, I use them for commercial purpose. I sell this soap. You can do yours at home. You can do it as part-time business. Like myself, I work. And I also make soap for sales. So let's start pouring. So by this time tomorrow, we will mold our soap. Hello, you're welcome back to Enea Skincare. Yesterday we made our papaya soap with fresh papaya, and today in 24 hours we are about to mold our soap. So let's see. This is the soap that we made yesterday. So we are going to mold the soap. This is our papaya soap. I'm going to mold some of the soap for you to see. You can try this at home from the very comfort of your home. It's very, very easy. Very easy. Let me start with this. This is the papaya that we made yesterday. So lovely. So beautiful. You can see. See, papaya has a lot of nutritional value for your skin. You can unmold this soap after 24 hours. There is a warning: when you unmold soap like this, do not use. Wait until 4 weeks before you start using, because at that time the lye that you used in making the soap and the water would have been dried completely. So that's just it. So as for the measurement, you use 3 parts of water to ferment 1 part of lye. That is just it. 3 parts of water ferment 1 part of lye, and you let it to soak, to ferment in 2 days. So that's just it. And I believe that you love what you have seen, and you will put it to work right in the very comfort of your home. Subscribe to our channel. So that's just it. We love you. You can share to your friends. Subscribe to our channel so that you get more of our videos. Yeah. Bye-bye.